Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into Rar Zip archives on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So in order to do this, let's open the Rar app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now click on the folder that contains your files, select each of the file, click on this R+ button, and now you can change any archiving options. There's a lot of them, so just pick which options you want to change. Here I'm just gonna go with different name. Click OK, and that way you pack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.